It's surprising how much you can deduce about free energy change when you don't even know the values of enthalpy and entropy. You only know if they're positive or negative. And this can make for some juicy multiple choice or even a free response type question that people might ask. I would point out that it's kind of silly in a way, because how often would that really happen where you only know the signs of it? But just the same, let's do this little analysis. The change in enthalpy is positive. The change in entropy is also positive. Well, let's make things simple and consider a spontaneous process to be desirable. We'd like that to be negative, and we'd like that to be positive. Positive means it's entropically favorable, becoming more random, which will help the free energy. Mathematically, if you prefer, that'll also get subtracted, so it becomes more negative as well. So I'm going to talk in terms of good and bad, assuming that spontaneous is good. Well, that's bad, and that's the dominant feature, right? That, on the other hand, is good, so I suppose at a high enough temperature it might be able to overcome it. So we'll say this is non-spontaneous at low temperatures, may become spontaneous at high. They might talk about the reverse reaction, which is silly really, because everything we say about the forward reaction will be the opposite for the negative. So I'm going to just gloss over that if they do. Alright, so this is bad in terms of spontaneity, right? It's not negative. This is also bad, so I believe this will be non-spontaneous no matter what. This is good and good. This will be spontaneous no matter what, temperature, etc., etc. And that's why people like to ask these types of questions. It's kind of neat how it does not matter what the temperature is. And here, this is good, but that's bad, right? So as the temperature increases, it might go non-spontaneous. Let's see what the book answer is. Yes, 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 and yes, and they also mention things a little bit about the reverse reaction as well. This is predicting free energy based on the signs of the values of the enthalpy and the entropy change.